Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a beautiful Christmas winter wreath tutorial. This could be used throughout the holidays and into January if you would like. And it's very simple to make too. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed already. So for this DIY, you're going to need a greenery wreath, and this one's 24 inches, and I picked it up on sale 50% off at Hobby Lobby, and we did add battery-powered LED lights to it after I fluffed it. Make sure you take the time to fluff your wreath. It's very important because they're usually kind of flat. Next, we added the battery-powered LED lights, and my daughter, she took over because I wasn't doing too good of a job wrapping it, and the lights were really long, but I love the way it looks at night. We purchased the LED battery-powered wreath lights in the Christmas section at Walmart, and they do twinkle, so here's how they look on. You're also going to need some shatterproof Christmas ornaments, 3 poinsettias, and some ribbon for bows. I cut my ribbon to 28 inches to make some petite single bows. First, you're going to take and find the center of your ribbon. Then you're going to make a loop, pinch it together, move over 2 or 3 inches, make another loop, pinch it together. Now you're going to take the right loop, go over the left one, and then that makes a little hole, and you're going to pull that right loop through that hole, and then you have a cute little bow. Just takes a little bit of time to get your loops the same length, and then you might have to trim and knife cut or cut at a slant or dovetail the ends of your bow. It just depends on the look you're going for. But this is a very simple bow. And then to attach the bow to the wreath, I'm going to be using some 20 gauge floral wire. This ribbon is 1.5 inch width ribbon with wire that I picked up at Sam's Club. Now I'm just taking a piece of floral wire that I cut in half, going to the back of the bow, threading the wire through the little knot part or center of the bow. Then I'm going to go to the top center of the wreath, thread the wires through the greenery wreath, go to the back, give the wires a few twists, cut them off shorter, and fold them down. And I'm going to add about 4 more bows to this wreath, and it's really simple. I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel. I even have a bow tutorial playlist I can link in the description box for you. So here we go. We're just going to make a loop, pinch it together, move over 2 or 3 inches, make another loop, pinch it together, take the right loop, go over the left, and you'll have that little circle there at the bottom. Thread that loop through that circle, and then just adjust and shape your loops and your tails. At the end of this video, I added some pictures of some of the other Christmas DIYs I have done this year in 2024. If you'd like to check those out, I'll link some of the videos below for you. There by the number of views on this video, it usually says more, and you can click there and it'll drop down the box with all of the information. Here I'm just cutting the tails at a slant, going to add a wire to the back of this bow, and then just attach it to my wreath. I'm just trying to be careful and not mess up my LED battery powered lights. So I'm trying to be careful of the lights, the wire, and then also when I glue things on, I'm being very careful not to get any glue on the lights. So here's how it looks with the bows added, and I did add 4 total. Next, we're going to be adding some shatterproof Christmas ornaments. Just be very careful when you use your hot glue. I'm using Gorilla Glue hot glue, and I picked up these ornaments on sale at Hobby Lobby. And then I'm adding some poinsettias that I picked up on sale at Hobby Lobby too in the Christmas section. So I'm just hot gluing everything on and just watching for those battery powered LED lights. This wreath is going to be kept indoors but I did take it outside so you could see in the light how pretty it is. I just love a classic traditional Christmas wreath. Just make sure you let everything have time to dry before you pick it up. And I used 3 poinsettias, and I put this one just above the bow. I probably should have moved the bow down a little bit more so you could see it better. So you can use whatever kind of shatterproof Christmas ornaments you want. I think some snowflakes would also be pretty if you plan on leaving it up in January. So I'm just giving you some ideas. So I hope you're enjoying this video and I hope you're learning from it. I share lots of budget-friendly DIYs on my YouTube channel, shop with me videos, shopping hauls, and decorating videos. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. So here's how it looks so far, and it looks really pretty, I think, but I think it needed just one more thing. So I found these white berry picks, and I just took them, cut them into shorter pieces, added some hot glue to the end, and just placed them around the wreath. The berry picks add some movement to the wreath and just a whimsical look that I really like, that extra touch. You'll have to let me know your thoughts. The berries also add a different texture, so just remember that when you're picking out things for your wreath. So here's how it looks indoors. It wasn't quite dark yet, but I think you can see that it's going to be beautiful at night. And then here's how it looks outside. The lights are on. You just can't hardly see them right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas.